This boat is a Sea Ray. It's a 2020. The model is the 190 SPX. Shown here with the full black hull with the silver graphics. Has black canvas and the dune vinyl upholstery. And it has the brown Infinity removable snap-in, snap-out carpet. Has a bimini top, bow cover, cockpit cover. The 190 SPX has a big seating compartment in the bow. There's storage under seats on both sides. Walk-through windshield. You can run it with the bow cover on to cut down on the air passing through. You see the sea deck on the swim platform. Got the aft sun lounge. Stainless steel ladder. This boat has the starboard, the captain's helm seat. The port side's a convertible seat. 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX. Full black hull with silver graphics.